Windows 10 comes with its own proprietary built-in antivirus software tool called Windows Defender, but I do advise that you upgrade to a better antivirus program. I recommend Avast, the free version, which is easy to download. It runs in real time on your computer, protects you in real time, has a range of features and scans for you, and is adequate protection for you when you're browsing on the internet. So now I'm going to show you how to download it. So let's get started. First things first, take the pointer down to Google. I'm using Google Chrome browser, you may be using Edge. Left click once on your browser. Whichever search engine you're using, type in Avast free antivirus. And we're going to click on avast.com's website. We're going to click on free download. The download has already started and we can see that down the bottom left hand corner here. We can click on the arrow and we can click on open. Click on yes. The download will now start. The download will take a few minutes, so we'll come back soon. Click on install. Installation is now in progress. Again, it's going to take a few minutes, so we'll leave it to it. Once you see the Avast interface appear on the screen telling you you're protected, you can close down the browser in the background. We're now finished with the install. So let's click on continue. Avast will want you to do an initial scan, so click on first scan. If we go down to the system tray down here and left click onto the system tray, we can see the Avast antivirus logo there telling us that we are protected. Also, if you go down to your search box and type in security, we can check the security status of the computer and make sure that Avast is now taken over from Windows Security. If I click on virus and threat protection, we can see that Windows is telling us that Avast antivirus is now turned on. We are now protected. Avast is now making some final updates before it runs a scan, and you can just leave it to scan. Once the scan has finished, you can close down the Avast antivirus interface and feel safe in the knowledge that Avast is now running on your computer 24/7. Whenever you switch your computer on, Avast will automatically be running in the background and protecting you from malicious software at all times while you're on the internet. However, I do also recommend that you have a second line of defense with any antivirus program, whether it be Windows, Avast or any other third-party antivirus tool. I recommend that you download Malwarebytes onto your computer as well as a backup malicious software scanner, and if you see my other videos, I'll show you how to download that as well. So that's it for Avast, the free version. Avast do offer a paying premium version as well, but for the extra features that you get with the premium version, I don't think it's worth the money. The basic protection is still the same. If you do want to go for a premium option for your antivirus software, then I do recommend Norton Antivirus. Norton 360 is probably the best antivirus tool that's on the market, and it comes at a cost of about £30 for the standard version. If you do want to pay for your antivirus and want a host of extra features, then we do recommend Norton 360. It offers excellent malware protection, password manager, webcam protection. It offers a VPN service as well, and I'll create another video to talk about VPNs later on. And there's a link to Norton's website underneath this video.